Hey guys, Leg here. Today, quick video to show you how to remove a spinning lug nut when trying to remove your wheel. This can happen with the ones that have these chrome decorative covers. Basically, the nut gets stuck and it's impossible to remove it. So I'll show you guys really quick what it looks like and what steps to take to get it off. You can do this yourself at home with basic tools. You don't need a mechanic or anything. Let's get started. So as you guys can see on my Dodge Charger, also the Chrysler 300, this is a 2007 Dodge Charger, same idea probably for most. The lug nut itself has this chrome decorative cover, and over time water can get in there and basically it gets loose. Whatever happens, that this thing starts spinning on top of the lug nut, so you can't remove it. There is a rubber seal here, but obviously it didn't do its job. So here's my last nut that I was trying to remove, and sometimes you might even have to hammer this on because it's so beat up. And as you guys can see, it's just spinning. I can't get it off. So now I'll show you guys what you actually need to get that done. And what you need is a little chisel or whatever you got and a hammer. And we're gonna be working on removing this so we can get to the actual lug nut and unscrew it that way. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So first, I'm gonna remove this round cap right here. Grab a pair of pliers if you have handy and just rip it off. So that's that. And now I'm gonna put a cut alongside of it. Get in there first. I'm just gonna cut right on the side all the way to the end. Other side here. And now we should be able to just peel that off. I'm going to show you this close up. So I cut it all the way down through here and here. I should be able to remove this. I guess we didn't cut all the way through yet. There we go. So cover is removed. Now we're going to get a size smaller. There we go. So just check basically what will fit, and now we should be able to remove this. There we go. Our wheel is off. Where did it go? I'll show you guys a close-up of it. So that's what it looks like without it. This was the rubber seal. So this is still usable. So guys, I hope this is helpful. Hope saved you from a trip to the mechanic and wasting your whole day. As long as you have still straight, nice edges, you can reuse this one. Although you strip the chrome cover, that's fine. But if you see it's beat up and smoothed out, I would recommend just replacing these. Go to your local AutoZone or even order online, whatever's the best deal for you if you have time. And find the correct lug nut set for your car, and direct replacement or aftermarket, something preferably maybe without these fancy covers, so you can avoid that issue in the future. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Also check the description below for other links on how to fix this car and other car stuff. I have a lot of useful information I think that you can use on house repairs, technical, whatever, you know, I got it all there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below with any questions. Have a good one.